Okay guys, no meme tena. Back again. Back again. Anyway, hope you're all doing great. Today's story. Shit man, let me tell you. So one of you people, one of you very lazy people, one of you very idle people decided you're going to Photoshop my crush Azziad with Ringtone. Kwanza mkaeka Azziad hadi yako na ball. You see? Sijui nini, sijui anabeba na sijui wapi. Anyway, shit. And then we even posted those photos on the group, and then later we came to realize that those images were photoshopped. So we're like, oh, so this was not real. But now this is where it gets interesting. Now after those photos, after we have verified those photos were fake, guess what? Just guess what? Azziad decided to go on a date with Ringtone. Shit, man. Azziad decided to go on a date with Ringtone Apoko. Now you see what you people cost. Like, I just don't understand. Let me tell you one thing. Ringtone is not supposed to be anywhere near that babes. It's not. It's not. And they don't match. I'm very sure those people, I don't know, if they go to hell together, Ringtone will be in a different cell, Azziad will be in a different cell, because they are not allowed to be anywhere together. Not. This girl is a very young girl. She's very promising. She's a journalist. She's studying journalism. Now, whoever came out with those, like whoever did those photoshops, look at what it cost. Images are all over social media. They went on a date. Ringtone Apoko with Azziad. They went on a date. A real date. A coffee date. Shit. Yo. Kitu inauma lakini itabidi tuzoee. Inauma lakini. Let me tell you. See how women are always making the wrong decisions. Women are always choosing the wrong men. That's exactly what is happening. Sometimes like you wonder, sometimes unaonanga udema niona nini kujama. But even to inaanzanga. Ringtone is one of those people. I'm very sure Ringtone is 35. Ringtone is not married. Ringtone is almost not even 35. Ringtone is karibu 40. He's not even married. So there's definitely something very wrong with that man. Yeah, very wrong. Ringtone, the one who's kimbizani akina Zahari is with 100 cows. Ringtone who's always dissing Willy Paul and doing some crazy stuff. Now that's the person that you want our very beautiful young Azziad to be hanging out with. Shit, man. Whoever did those Photoshop images, yo, you're in deep shit. Kanyambe uko wewe. Hata huyo Ringtone, just go. Yeah. Ringtone, whoever came up with those Photoshopped images, and then you kanyambe uko. Shit, man. But I really hope, Azziad, if you're watching this thing, Maze, yeah, in crashing on you, siwezi taka ukiingia na mtu kama Ringtone. Hey, you guys, anyway, tell me what you think. Sisahau pale YouTube, go subscribe. Leave your comments, share the videos. Itakuwa too fit. Azziad, I know you're thinking of me. Woo. Shit, man.